नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये एकूण 50 MCQs असणारे आहेत. यामध्ये 10-11वीचे चॅप्टर्स आहेत, 10 MCQ, आणि जे 16 चॅप्टर्स 12वीचे असणार आहेत यावर 40 MCQs असणार आहेत. म्हणजे येणाऱ्या MHT CET 2025 या परीक्षेची तयारी करण्याच्या अनुषंगानं यामध्ये तुम्हाला 50 MCQs दिलेले आहेत. या MCQची डिफिकल्टी लेवल ही निश्चितच ही जेई आणि नीटच्या लेवलची असणारी आहे. त्यामुळं तुमचा सराव जास्तीत जास्त व्हावा यासाठी हा दुसरा सेट तुमच्यासाठी अपलोड करीत आहे. तो व्हिडिओ सुरुवातीपासून शेवटपर्यंत पहा आणि चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा आणि हा व्हिडिओ आवडला तर लाईक करा, नोटिफिकेशन बेल प्रेस करा आणि इतर विद्यार्थ्यांच्या पर्यंत पोहोचवण्याचा प्रयत्न करा.
Identify B and D in the following sequence of reactions. Here reaction sequence is given and you have to identify the product B and the reagent D used in the sequence of the following reactions. So correct answer is ethyl alcohol and alcoholic KOH. So B is ethyl alcohol and D is alcoholic KOH. Which from following represents the correct osmotic pressure equation for very dilute solution? The correct option is pi is equal to N2RT upon V. Which among the following is the most stable allotrope of sulfur? The rhombic sulfur is also called octahedral sulfur. So rhombic sulfur or octahedral sulfur is the stable allotrope of sulfur. So correct answer is octahedral sulfur. Which from following statements is correct about thermoplastic polymer? So you have to use the correct sentence and it is either linear or branched chain polymer. How many Faradays of electricity required to deposit 10 gram of calcium from molten calcium chloride using inert electrode? Molar mass of calcium 40 gram per mole. So here calculation for 1 mole, that is 40 gram, to deposit requires 2 Faraday of electricity. Then for 10 gram it will be 0.5 Faraday of electricity. So correct answer is a 0.5 Faraday. Which of the following mineral contains zinc? So calamine, that is ZnCO3. So calamine is the correct option. Which among the following analytical technique used to study structure of surface of a solid material? That is scanning electron microscope. Identify the product which is not formed when a mixture of N-butyl bromide and ethyl bromide treated with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. The correct answer is ethane. What is the general molecular formula of the products obtained on heating lanthanoids, that is Ln, with sulfur? So common oxidation state for lanthanoids +3 and that of sulfur is -2. So correct option is Ln2S3. Which of the following is not a principle of green chemistry? So here answer is design hazardous chemical synthesis. Identify reducing agent from the following cell. Here cell is given and the correct answer is Pb. Which from following metals crystallizes in a simple cubic structure? Polonium. Identify the amine that does not give foul smelling product with chloroform and alcoholic KOH. Carbylamine reaction is a test for aliphatic or aromatic primary amine. So correct option is paramethyl N-methyl benzyl amine. Which from following does not form acidic oxide? Means non-metals form the acidic oxides when they react with oxygen. Barium is a metal, so it forms basic oxide. So correct answer is a barium. Identify the product A and B respectively in the following reaction sequence. RBR reagent AgCN in alcoholic condition gives A, and LiAlH4, that is the reducing agent, gives B. So correct answer option is RNC and RNHR. Which from following monomers thermocol is produced? The answer is styrene. Which from following element does not belong to group 16th of periodic table? Answer is antimony. Which from following is formed when isopropyl methyl ether is treated with cold hydrogen iodide? The correct answer is isopropyl alcohol and methyl iodide. What is the total volume of atoms present in face-centered cubic unit cell of a metal? So correct answer option is 16 pi r cube divided by 3. Which from following reagents is used to confirm the presence of carbonyl group in the form of aldehyde in glucose? So correct answer is a bromine water. How is sodium chromate is converted into sodium dichromate in the manufacture of potassium dichromate from chromate ore? The correct answer is by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid. In dry cell, what acts as a negative electrode? The correct answer is a zinc. Which from following compounds liberates nitrogen on treatment with nitrous acid? The correct option is a ethylamine. 5 gram of sodium hydroxide, molar mass 40 gram per mole, is dissolved in little quantity of water and the solution is diluted up to 100 ml. What is the molarity of the resulting solution? So correct answer option is 1.25 mole per dm cube. Which from following compound when treated with dibenzyl cadmium yields benzyl methyl ketone? The correct answer is acetyl chloride. Which halide of magnesium has highest ionic character? Answer is magnesium fluoride. That is, the fluoride is the correct answer. The reaction takes place 2 steps as a reaction is given and you are asked identify the reaction intermediate. The answer is Cl. Which of the following amino acid is basic in nature? Correct answer, arginine. The relation between solubility of a gas in a liquid at a constant temperature and external pressure is stated by which law? Henry's law. Which among the following phenolic compound is most acidic in nature? The correct answer is paranitrophenol. Which among the following solid is a non-polar solid? The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Identify the metal that forms colorless compound. Here consider +3 oxidation state. So correct answer is scandium. The correct structure of the drug paracetamol is? The correct answer is mathematical equation of first law of thermodynamics for isochoric process is? So the correct answer is delta U is equal to Q. Name the catalyst used in commercial method of preparation of phenol. That is cobalt naphthenate. Which from following represents the correct relation between the rate constant and half-life of a first order reaction? So correct answer is T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. Which of the following forms a colloidal solution in water? Correct answer is a starch. Calculate the average atomic mass of iron if its abundance isotopes and percentage is given. So by using this formula, the correct option is 55.95. The criteria for spontaneous process is, answer is delta G greater than 0. Which from following compound shows highest oxidation state of chlorine? HClO4. Which from following reagent is used in Wolff-Kishner reduction? NH2NH2 hydrazine and KOH in ethylene glycol. Which among the following is a neutral complex? The correct answer is PTNH3 twice Cl2. Identify the compound among us the following of which 0.1 molar aqueous solution has highest boiling point? Ferric chloride. Which from following reagent is used in Itard reaction? Answer is chromyl chloride. Identify the gas that is most abundant in atmosphere. Argon. Which from following is an extensive property? Heat capacity. Which of the following carboxylic acid is a tricarboxylic acid? Answer is citric acid. You are given a reaction 3A gives to B, rate of reaction plus dB upon dt is equal to. The correct answer is, what is the amount of work done when 0.5 mole of methane gas is subjected to combustion at 300 Kelvin? Given R value is given. So correct answer is plus 2494 joule. This is the last one. Identify B in the following reactions. Reaction sequence is given. First conversion CH3CH2NH2 A, and then it is treated with NaNO2 in dilute HCl, that is diazotization process, but the product form is the CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. Thanks.